Legislation means the process of making laws by a competent authority of the state, usually the parliament or legislature. It also refers to the laws that are created through this process. In simple words, legislation is law made by the government. Explanation in simple English. In every society, rules are needed to maintain order and justice. These rules are called laws. One of the most important ways in which these laws are made is through legislation. The authority to make laws is given to bodies like Parliament at the central level and state legislatures at the state level. For example, in India, Parliament consists of the President, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. When they pass a law, it becomes legislation. Legislation is considered the most direct and authoritative source of law because it is made by elected representatives of the people. It reflects the will of the people and is binding on everyone within the jurisdiction. Unlike customs or judicial decisions, legislation is written, clear, and formally enacted. Process of legislation. The process of making legislation generally involves several steps. Drafting of bill. A proposal for a new law is called a bill. Introduction. The bill is introduced in the legislature. Debate and discussion. Members discuss its merits and demerits. Voting. The bill is voted upon. Approval. If passed, it is sent to the President or Governor in states for assent. Enactment. After approval, it becomes an act and is enforceable as law. Types of legislation. Supreme legislation, made by the highest authority, example Parliament. Subordinate, delegated legislation, made by authorities under powers given by the main law, example rules, regulations. Colonial and executive legislation, laws made during colonial rule or by executive authorities. Importance of legislation. Legislation plays a crucial role because it provides certainty and clarity in law. It can be changed according to the needs of society. It ensures uniformity in legal rules. It is democratic, as it is made by elected representatives. Case study, simple explanation. A famous example is the case of Keswananda Bharati v. State of Kerala. In this case, the Indian Parliament had passed laws, legislation, to amend the constitution and limit certain rights. The question before the Supreme Court was whether Parliament could make any law without limits. The court held that although Parliament has the power to make laws, it cannot change the basic structure of the Constitution. In simple terms, this case shows that legislation is powerful but not unlimited. It must follow the Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land. Conclusion. Thus, legislation is a formal and systematic way of making laws by the government. It is essential for maintaining order, justice, and development in society. However, it is always subject to constitutional limits to prevent misuse of power.